Greenyard Frozen is a pioneer and market leader dealing with the processing of freshly harvested fruit and vegetables into frozen products. We are a company that draws knowledge from dozens of years of experience on the market. We want you to feel safe with us, so please read the basic principles concerning health, safety and hygiene. The rules apply to both our employees and guests. The main hazards at our plant are noise, forklift traffic, moving machine parts, as well as chemical hazards including ammonia. We work with food, so we need to be sure that it will be free from all hazards including microbiological ones. Therefore, do not enter the production area if you've experienced vomiting or diarrhea during the last 48 hours. Report to your supervisor if you have a clear wound or skin infection, ulcers on uncoated body parts, or if you have a cold. Wash your hands often. Before entering the production and storage area, you received work clothes and footwear, a disposable protective cap, and protective equipment suitable for the type of performed work or other tasks. Make sure that all protective clothing is clean, without holes or tears, and that you wear them in the factory at all times. In case of damage, replace them with new ones. Pay attention to any glass or fragile plastic elements. Report any breakage or loss to your supervisor or the person commissioning works. You must leave all personal items in the locker room. Also, please leave your jewelry, medicine and personal items there. Food and drinks must be kept in food cabinets in the canteen. It is strictly forbidden to bring allergens, including nuts, eggs, fish, soybeans, sesame or almonds, to the production and storage area. You are also responsible for safety by moving in the designated place. Use pedestrian paths and pedestrian crossings. Do not run, do not rush, and watch out for slippery surfaces and moving forklifts. When moving on the stairs, hold on to the handrail. General principles such as no smoking also apply on site. Smoking is permitted only at the designated areas. No alcohol or drug use. It is forbidden to take photos. Even in the best secure place, emergency situations can occur. If you notice a dangerous situation, immediately inform your supervisor or the person commissioning the works. Remember that a special yellow ZWP form is used to report near misses. Use it whenever you notice a dangerous situation. Keep calm and act so as not to compromise your safety. In case of fire or leakage of ammonia, follow evacuation rules and instructions given by your superior or supervisor. Move in accordance with the green signs. Don't take anything with you. Go to the meeting point designated by your superior or supervisor. In the event of an ammonia failure, choosing a meeting point depends on the wind direction. Remember that hazardous work can only be performed after acquiring a written permission. Take care of the environment and cleanliness around you. Sort waste and throw it into appropriate containers. Thank you for your attention. Thanks to the fact that you have devoted your time to learn the basic safety principles, your stay or work at our company will be fruitful and safe.